Alright, so got a nice bass on. Let me see if I can get it on film before she loses it. There you go. Nice. He's feeding on all these perch that are biting our lures. Sweet. It's a really long fish. Let me get the scale on. Am I going to have to do another teaching on camera?
No.
You want help?
Yes.
290, 33 pounds.
Oh, that's not my PB then.
No. Alright, Laura, time to release the beast.
Woo!
You ready?
Go, bud.
Sweet. Pickerel. Little gator, trolling, a deep crank. I don't screw with troubles. Fish number 2, trolling, crankbait, little hammer handle pickerel. So I was trolling this crankbait across the lake here and caught a jumbo perch. Sweet. Dude, that is probably my biggest perch in PA. That's so sweet. Get a release. So guys, the key to these fish today, so far, has been a little 10-12 foot crankbait. It goes even deeper if you troll it. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to throw it back out there. I'm just going to throw it behind me there, keep the bail open, put it in the rod holder, and I'm going to paddle until I get as much line, because the more line you have out, the deeper it's going to go. And I want it to be grinding about, I don't know, I heard it's about 27 feet. So after when I think I want enough line out, that's enough line, I'm going to clip the bail, and I'm going to start cranking it real hard. So it gets to depth, put it back in the rod holder, and just paddle around. Just look up every couple seconds to see if you have a bite, because they'll grab it and they'll basically set the hook on themselves. So let's see what happens. So yeah, I had no idea this fish was even on my crankbait. I know there's a school out there. Every single time I go through them I get a bite, but I had no idea this guy ate it. I guess that's probably one of the smallest in the school. So I'm going to do that same thing I just showed you and see if I get any more bites out deep. If I don't, I'm just going to stick the flipping and jig shallow. Stay tuned. Get another one. Got something big. Deep cranking, got something nice. Oh, it's a big. That was a monster crappie. The crappie's mouth, when it came up and spit it, no lie, it was this big. Like, it was this big. That was probably a 3-pound crappie. Alright, well, let's get back in the water so we can catch things again. Got a nice bass on a deep crankbait here. Real skinny though. Boom, there we go. There's a target species on deep cranking. It's a nice fish right there. It looks like he's been chilling deep for a long time. Real soft colors on him. Has a lot of white to him. we go. Nice bass. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright, I'm gonna release this fish right now. Here we go. 1, 2. And he's dead. There he goes. Sick. Oh, it's a big pickerel. It's a big pickerel. No. Oh man, they fight so hard. Yeah, he's barely hooked. Yeah, he's gonna come off. If I can get him in. Ah, no! Stop it. Stop it. You done? Oh man, that's why you're swapping. I got him in like all 4 eyeballs. Man, pickerel's a great fish to catch. You just always want to catch them, you know what I mean? So much fun to handle and stuff. He's gonna flop out of my hand. But that's another deep crank pickerel, fish, snake, gator. He smoked it, man. Smoked it as I was reeling it in. Caught me a little pickle fish. Forrest Gump. Alright, so Laura thought there was something wrong with the rod, so I decided to take a cast, and I just stuck a nice slab crappie here. Like, what do you think, 16 inches there? Are you mad? I literally just took a cast with it, right? I thought the tip got tangled mid-cast, mid-reel, and I let it sit there, and I see my line starting to swerve off, and sure enough, a crappie choked it. So we decided to hit a local lake, and that was the first fish here on a chatterbait. We don't have that much time, so I don't know how many fish we're going to be able to catch, but nice fish. He ate the crankbait? He ate your crankbait, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, he did.
Sweet.